availability guidance agent. Plant availability is often treated as a maintenance statistic, but in real manufacturing operations, availability problems usually happen because intervention decisions occur too late. Teams often wait for downtime confirmation before acting. By then, production has already been impacted and recovery becomes expensive. This demo shows how the plant availability guidance agent improves execution discipline by helping supervisors act during operations while uptime is still recoverable. The agent continuously evaluates stoppage frequency, asset load level, and deferred maintenance exposure and throughput deviation in real time. For example, boiler 1 shift 1 under decision 007 is identified as critical availability risk. The asset is operating at 93% load with 6 deferred prevention maintenance tasks and throughput already falling below plan. The same pattern continues in shift 2 under decision D017, where load increases further to 94% and throughput degradation worsens to negative 8%. The agent recognizes that intervention can no longer be delayed. It immediately recommends maintenance execution, control load reduction, and operational escalation before forced shutdown occurs. Instead of waiting for downtime confirmation, supervisors receive intervention guidance while production is still recoverable. And for this one, the agent also identifies medium risk asset where early intervention can prevent future downtime escalation. And this agent also recommends prioritizing preventive maintenance now before the asset moves into high risk territory. The agent also identifies stress to across multiple shifts and plant as a developing cross plant availability pattern. Early monitoring and maintenance coordination are recommended before the issue escalation into a larger operational disruption. By intervening before downtime becomes unavoidable, the plant availability guidance agent helps manufacturing teams improve uptime stability and operational execution discipline. Teams stop reacting after failure and being protecting availability while production is still running. Output stabilizes, maintenance becomes proactive, and downtime decreases because action happens early, while corrective intervention is still possible. This demo shows how plant availability improves when execution decisions happen before production is already lost.